Today's target is to use Marimo Notebook to do analysis on UNS data. Let's get started. First, log into the Tier0 platform and on the left side, find Notebook. Click it to access. Here, hover over this icon, click New Folder. Name it to Device, Create. Under the Created folder, I'm gonna create another notebook. Here, select New Notebook, Data. Create. And then I will access this notebook to do the subsequent analysis. Once we're inside this notebook, we can see on the left side here is a connected data source. That is the data source from UNS. So I will choose the data source I want. Click this icon. You will get two generated cells on the right side which do the prerequisites and also select the data from this table. Let's run them together. We can see the data selected from that table is displayed here. Then we can do some advanced analysis on this data. So I will get another Python cell and I want to generate with the AI. Use add to get the data. I will use the output from the cell 2. And this is my prompt. And submit. Okay, this is the result. I will accept and then run them all together again. So there is an error here. This is not defined. Fix with AI. Okay, accept, run them again. Okay, so this is the result. So this is how we use the notebook cells to do data analysis, but this is easy. This is another notebook I created based on the same data source. And let's toggle the view to display the results only. Here is the threshold you can change and this chart will change along with it. Try to change the temperature threshold. You can see the abnormal dots increased, right? And if you do the smoothing more, this line will become smoother. You can see that, right? So this is basically the whole training about notebook. Thanks for watching.